Are you ready to dive into the lucrative world of esports? In this video, How to Get Rich in Esports in 2024, we explore the most effective strategies and insider tips to maximize your earnings in the booming esports industry. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or an aspiring entrepreneur, this guide will provide you with actionable steps to capitalize on the trends shaping esports in 2024. Join me as I dive into the world of esports and challenge myself to figure out how to get rich in 2024. We discuss how to build a personal brand in the esports community, tips for securing sponsorships and partnerships, the importance of streaming and content creation for revenue, insights on career paths within the esports ecosystem. Don't miss out on the opportunity to turn your passion for gaming into a thriving career. Subscribe for more tips on succeeding in the esports industry and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Let's get started on your journey to financial success in esports. The esports industry has experienced exponential growth over the past decade, transforming from a niche market into a multi-billion-dollar global phenomenon. According to Newzoo's Global Esports Market Report, in 2021, the esports industry generated approximately $1.1 billion in revenue, with projections to reach $1.8 billion by 2024. This growth is attributed to increased sponsorship deals, advertising revenue, and the rise of streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube gaming. This growth is driven by several factors, including increased sponsorship deals, advertising revenue, and the rise of streaming platforms. According to a report by Statista in 2022, the number of esports viewers was expected to surpass 500 million globally, creating a larger audience for monetization. Gamers have multiple avenues to achieve financial success in esports, including professional gaming, content creation, and streaming. Research by Hamari and Schoblom in 2017 indicates that professional players can earn substantial incomes through tournament winnings, sponsorships, and streaming revenue. Additionally, content creators on platforms like Twitch and YouTube can monetize their channels through subscriptions, donations, and ad revenue. For investors, the esports market presents a unique opportunity to capitalize on the industry's growth. Investment in esports teams, sponsorships, and media rights can yield significant returns. A report by Deloitte in 2022 highlights the increasing interest from traditional investors in esports, indicating a shift towards recognizing the sector's potential for profitability. Despite the promising outlook, there is a need for comprehensive research that examines the specific opportunities available for gamers and investors in 2024. This video aims to provide insights into the pathways to wealth in esports. By examining the factors driving this growth, this video will highlight why this is an exciting opportunity. The esports industry is often perceived as a lucrative field, with many believing that professional gamers can easily earn substantial incomes through tournament winnings, sponsorships, and streaming. However, research indicates that this perception is misleading. According to a report by Newzoo in 2021, only a small percentage of professional gamers are earning a living wage from esports, with the majority relying on supplementary income sources. One common misconception is that success in esports is solely based on skill. While skill is undoubtedly important, factors such as networking, marketing, and personal branding play a crucial role in achieving financial success from a report by Hamari and Schoblom in 2017. Additionally, the competitive nature of the industry means that only a select few can secure lucrative contracts or sponsorships, leading to financial instability for many aspiring professionals. Challenges faced by aspiring esports professionals include intense competition. The number of players entering the esports scene continues to grow, making it increasingly difficult to stand out and secure a position on a professional team. Financial instability. Many aspiring gamers struggle to find consistent income, as tournament winnings can be unpredictable and sponsorship deals are often limited to top-tier players. Mental health issues. The pressure to perform at a high level, coupled with the uncertainty of a career in esports, can lead to mental health challenges such as anxiety and burnout. From a report by Coward and Oldmeadow in 2019. Despite these challenges, there are strategies that aspiring professionals can employ to enhance their chances of success, such as building a strong online presence, engaging with the community, and diversifying income streams through content creation and streaming. The esports industry presents a unique and exciting opportunity for both gamers and investors to achieve financial success in 2024. The esports industry has produced numerous success stories of individuals who have transformed their passion for gaming into lucrative careers. One of the most iconic figures in esports is Lee Sang-hyuk, better known as Faker, a professional League of Legends player. Faker is widely regarded as one of the greatest League of Legends players of all time. He began his professional career in 2013 with SK Telecom T1, now T1, and quickly gained recognition for his exceptional skills and game knowledge. Over the years, Faker has won multiple championships, including 3 World Championships, 2013, 2015, and 2016, and has become a symbol of excellence in esports. Key strategies that contributed to Faker's success include dedication to practice. Faker is known for his rigorous practice schedule, often dedicating several hours each day to honing his skills. His commitment to improvement has set a standard for aspiring players in the esports community. Adaptability and learning. Throughout his career, Faker has demonstrated an ability to adapt to the evolving meta of League of Legends. He continuously studies the game, analyzes his performance, and learns from both victories and defeats. Team collaboration. As a member of T1, Faker has emphasized the importance of teamwork and communication. His ability to work effectively with his teammates has been crucial in achieving success in high-stakes tournaments. Brand building. Faker has cultivated a strong personal brand, becoming a household name in esports. His humility, sportsmanship, and dedication to the game have endeared him to fans, making him a role model for aspiring gamers. So to recap, these are the tools to help you succeed streaming. Platforms like Twitch and YouTube Gaming allow gamers to showcase their skills and engage with audiences, generating income through subscriptions, donations, and ad revenue. Sponsorships. Partnerships with brands provide significant financial support for professional gamers and teams, highlighting the importance of building a strong personal brand and network. Tournament winnings. Competing in esports tournaments can yield substantial prize money, but success requires exceptional skill and consistent performance. Content creation. Producing engaging content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok allows gamers to monetize their channels through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Keys to success also include dedication to practice. Successful esports professionals, like Faker, exemplify the importance of a rigorous practice schedule and a commitment to continuous improvement. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing game metas and learn from both victories and defeats is crucial for long-term success in esports. Team collaboration. Effective communication and teamwork are essential for achieving success in competitive gaming, as demonstrated by top players and teams. Brand building. Cultivating a strong personal brand and engaging with the community can enhance visibility and attract sponsorship opportunities. The esports industry offers a multitude of avenues for individuals to achieve success, whether as professional players, content creators, or industry stakeholders. This video summarizes the various ways to succeed in this dynamic field, emphasizing the importance of dedication and strategic planning. By understanding the various pathways to success and the importance of commitment, aspiring gamers can better position themselves to thrive in this rapidly evolving field. In conclusion, success in the esports industry is multifaceted, requiring a combination of skill, dedication, and strategic thinking. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the future of gaming, so drop your opinions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos for more exciting insights into esports and technology. See you in the next one.